अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश बुक 1 चैप्टर नंबर 7 द यूज ऑफ फोर्स की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है चूज द करेक्ट आंसर। फर्स्ट है हु इज आई इन द स्टोरी। ऑप्शन ए द फादर, ऑप्शन बी द डॉक्टर, ऑप्शन सी द मदर, ऑप्शन डी द सिक चाइल्ड। ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, द डॉक्टर। The parents were nervous because dash. Option A, they did not want to tell the doctor anything. Option B, they did not know what to say. Option C, they wanted the doctor to tell them everything. Option D, the child did not tell anything. Option C is the correct option. They wanted the doctor to tell them everything. The doctor was impressed by option A, the beauty of the child, option B, by the patience of the child, option C, by the patience of the parents, option D, by the picture of the child he had seen in Sunday's paper. Option A is the correct option, the beauty of the child. The doctor took a trial shot of it means option A, he had a wild guess to begin with. Option B, he gave her a short injection. Option C, he took parents to task. Option D, he examined the girl carefully. Option A is the correct option, he made a wild guess to begin with. The doctor feared that the child may be suffering from diphtheria. Option A, from the appearance of the child. Option B, the parents told him so. Option C, from the examination of the child. Option D, he guessed because there had been such cases in a local school. Option D is the correct option. He guessed because there had been such cases in a local school. The child did not respond to the doctor's instructions because option A, she was afraid of the doctor, option B, she was a stubborn child, option C, her parents had tried to open her mouth, option D, she was angry. Option A is the correct option, she was afraid of the doctor. The doctor ground his teeth in anger because dash. Option A, the child did not respond. Option B, the mother told the girl he would not hurt you. Option C, the parents did not let him handle the child. Option D, the child had knocked his glasses. Option B is the correct option. The mother told the girl he would not hurt you. The doctor had almost succeeded in opening the mouth of the girl but failed to see because option A, the child resisted strongly, option B, the parental love made the father to release her at the last moment, option C, the rough handling hurt the child, option D, the mother stopped him. Option A is the correct option, the child resisted strongly. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है मार्क द सेंटेंसेस ट्रू और फॉल्स। फर्स्ट है द स्टोरी इज अबाउट अ सिक चाइल्ड। ट्रू। द पेरेंट्स टेक द चाइल्ड टू द डॉक्टर। फॉल्स। द डॉक्टर इज इम्प्रेस्ड बाय द इनोसेंट ब्यूटी ऑफ द चाइल्ड। ट्रू। द डॉक्टर थिंक्स दैट द गर्ल मे बी सफरिंग फ्रॉम diphtheria. True. The doctor makes a guess because there have been some diphtheria cases in the local school. False. The girl refuses to open her mouth for examination. True. Parents joined the doctor in opening her mouth. True. They succeed in opening her mouth. True. Question number 3 है answer the following questions. First है what was the condition of the parents on the arrival of the doctor? इसका आंसर है they looked nervous. They looked at the doctor distrustfully. Second है what was the behavior of the child with the doctor? इसका आंसर है she looked at him with her cold steady eyes. She behaved rudely with him. Question number 3 है she had a fever for 3 days. Had not she? इसका आंसर है yes she had. Question number 4 है did the girl change her expression when the doctor said does your throat hurt you? इसका आंसर है no she did not change her expression. Question number 5 है why did the doctor call the sick girl by her first name? इसका आंसर है the doctor called the girl by her first name to get frank with her. In this way, he wanted to show his kindness and friendliness. Question number 6 है, did the sick girl promptly respond to the instruction of the doctor? इसका आंसर है she did not respond promptly to the doctor's instruction. Rather, she behaved badly with him. Question number 7 है, why did the parent rebuke her? इसका आंसर है the girl attacked him and threw his glasses away. Therefore, the parents rebuked her for such rudeness. Question number 8 है, what was the threat of the doctor to the child for not showing her throat? इसका आंसर है he threatened to use force if she did not open her mouth to show her throat. Question number 9 है, why did she break the wooden blade? इसका आंसर है the doctor was forcefully opening the girl's mouth. As he put his wooden blade into her mouth, she broke it with her molars. Last question है, what was the condition of tonsils of the sick girl? इसका आंसर है both the tonsils were in bad condition. They were covered by a thin layer. Thus, the girl was ill with fever. Question number 4 है, answer the following questions in 50 to 100 words. Question number 1 है, how did the child look by appearance? इसका आंसर है she was a lovely little girl. She had blonde hair. She looked strong like a heifer. Question number 2 है, why did the parents keep the sick child in the kitchen? इसका आंसर है it was very damp there. So they had kept their daughter in their kitchen because it was warm. Question number 3 है, how did the doctor succeed in examining her throat? इसका आंसर है the doctor put a silver spoon down her throat till her mouth was wide open. Thus, he succeeded in examining her throat. Question number 4 है, describe the feelings of the doctor in his struggle to diagnose their diseases. इसका आंसर है the doctor got mad with fiery anger. He could have killed the child and enjoyed it. His face was burning with anger. Compare and contrast the conduct of a healthy child and a sick child. इसका आंसर है a healthy child looks innocent and lovely, while a sick child looks serious and cold. A healthy child obeys, while a sick one becomes willful and angry. Under what circumstances can the use of force be justified? इसका आंसर है the force should be used for the benefit of humans. It should be used against crimes. Thus, its use is justified. Question number 5 है, write down the correct form of the verb in each sentence. When I arrive, I meet my mother. Arrive की जगह arrived आ जाएगा और meet की जगह met. I motion for him not to bother. Motion की जगह motioned आ जाएगा. I move my chair a little nearer. Move की जगह moved आ जाएगा. She knocked my glasses, flying and they fall. Knock की जगह knocked आ जाएगा और fall की जगह fell आ जाएगा. I explain the danger. Explain की जगह explained आ जाएगा. They grow more and more. Crush. Grow की जगह grew आ जाएगा. Crush की जगह crushing आ जाएगा. Then she shrieked terrifyingly. Shriek की जगह shrieked आ जाएगा. Then I grasped the child's head with my left hand. Grasp की जगह grasped आ जाएगा. She opened up her mouth for an instant. Open की जगह opened आ जाएगा. She reduced it to splinter before I can get it out again. Reduce की जगह reduced आ जाएगा. Can की जगह could आ जाएगा. Question number 6 है, punctuate the following lines. यहाँ पे आपको punctuation करके दे दी गई है, आप इसे लिख लें. Question number 8 है, fill in the blanks. I mentioned it. Dash her. Dash में to आ जाएगा. I was dash to me to tell them. Blank में up आ जाएगा. I took a trial shot. Dash it. Blank में at आ जाएगा. We were all quiet. Thinking dash that. Dash में off आ जाएगा. I have not anything dash in my hands. Dash में in आ जाएगा. तो आज की वीडियो यहीं कंप्लीट होती है. आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई हो, इस वीडियो को लाइक करें. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.